Wow, it smells like a campfire out here. There are wildfires in New Mexico, Utah, and Colorado that I believe are causing us all of this smoke. Over the years, the one thing that we've noticed is it does create beautiful sunsets. Always find the positive in things.